Hi, welcome to STFULFILL. In this video, we will show you how to obtain your exclusive promotion link in the STFULFILL system. With your exclusive promotion link, you can invite your friends, customers, or partners to register a STFULFILL account. When someone signs up through your referral link and make transactions with STFULFILL, you can earn commission from their transactions. First, visit the STFULFILL official platform. Go to app.stfulfill.com. You can use this platform to access your existing account or create a new one. If you do not have a STFULFILL account yet, click Register to create a new account, completing the sign-up process by entering the required information. The detailed registration process is in the first video tutorial. After registration, your personal STFULFILL dashboard will be activated. Once your account is created, log into the STFULFILL system. After logging in, go to the main menu on the left side. Find and click Affiliates. This will open the STFULFILL Affiliate section. In the Affiliate section, you will see your recommended link. This is your exclusive promotion link. Each user has a unique referral link, so please make sure you copy your own link from your account. Next, copy your exclusive promotion link. You can share this link with your customer, partner, friends, or anyone who may be interested in using STFULFILL service. When they register through your link, the system can identify that they were referred by you. After someone signs up through your referral link and start making transactions with STFULFILL, you can earn commission. The commission rate is 1.5% on all transactions they make with STFULFILL. The commission is valid for life, which means you can continue earning commission from the referred customers' future transactions. You can also check your commission record inside the Affiliate section. Go to the Commission Record tab to view your referral commission information. When your total commission reaches $50, you can request a withdrawal directly through your account. To withdraw your earnings, go to the Withdraw Record area, click Cash Out. A withdrawal window will appear. Select your preferred withdrawal method. The available option may include account balance, Wise, Payoneer, or bank transfer, depending on the system settings. Then enter the withdrawal amount. After confirming that information is correct, click Confirm to submit your withdrawal request. Please make sure your withdrawal information is correct before submitting the request. And this is a withdrawal record that has already been processed. Amount exceeding $50 can be withdrawn freely. To summarize, obtaining your exclusive promotion link is simple. If you have any questions about your promotion link, commission record, or withdrawal process, please contact your dedicated STFULFILL account manager for assistance. Thank you for watching this STFULFILL system tutorial.